you know what this is? No, it's not a prop from 50 Shades of Grey, and no, it's not a medieval torture device. This is a stropping block. A simple but ridiculously useful tool for keeping your blades razor sharp. So let's break it down. At first glance, it's just a piece of wood with a grippy pad on the bottom and ironically, a piece of leather on top. Yes, leather workers use leather to sharpen their tools. It's like sharpening a pencil with another pencil, but hey, it works. Now, you might be wondering, how does rubbing my tool on a piece of leather make it sharper? The secret is this little block of buffing polish. It's basically a compressed chunk of highly abrasive material. Rub this on your strop, then run your blade across it, and boom, your tools get a mirror polished, razor sharp edge. This is something you use before cutting to keep things extra sharp. Think of it like a pool player chalking their cue. It's quick, easy, and makes a noticeable difference. But let's be real, if your blade is already as dull as a butter knife, no amount of stropping will save it. You still need to sharpen your tools properly with a whetstone now and then. Personally, I use my strop to keep my skiving knife in top shape, and even the edges of my bevelers. You'll definitely notice the difference when your beveler actually grabs the edge instead of just skimming over it like skipping stone on water. If you're interested in grabbing one, I've got an affiliate link in the description, or in my link tree if you're watching on TikTok. And honestly, if you use my link, thank you so much. Every time you do, it genuinely helps me continue making leatherworking content, and I don't take that for granted. I see the support, and it means a lot. If you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button. If you want to check out my handmade leather goods, head over to puredleather.com. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.